Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my crowd-pleasing conch stewed in coconut milk. This is delicious, it's creamy, and for all of you seafood lovers, it's a must try. So please continue to watch and I'll show you how to make it. Remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and share the video with your friends. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is prepare your conch, and you want to check and see if there's any excess stuff on there that needs to get cut off. This is store-bought, they usually do that, so I'm just doing any pre-checks. Then you want to get a lime and squeeze the juices of that lime onto your meat to get some of the rawness off. As this is from the sea, it is just like fish, extremely raw, so we want to get some of that off. Then you are going to add your meat in a pot of about 3 cups of water, and this is just so you boil it to make the meat a little bit more tender, as this is very hard. Do not skip this step. If you skip this step at the end when you're finished cooking, your meat will be very tough and rubbery. So you want to make sure you boil it for about 15 minutes or so. Okay guys, after you boil, you're going to strain the hot water and put this to cool a little bit, and then you're going to use your meat tenderizer to pound on the meat. This step is also important because, as I said, the conch is very hard. It's a very hard meat to cook, and you want to make sure that it is tender and nice when you finish cooking your meat, so do not skip this step. After you pound on your meat, you are going to cut your meat in your desired size. However large or small that you like, you can cut them up. As you can see here, I'm cutting mine in small pieces. That's the way I like it. So you could do yours whichever way you prefer. After that, you add your favorite seasonings to your meat. This is where you can get creative, but for me, I like to use the basic seasonings to keep it simple. Garlic, scallion, and thyme. Those are the things that I love to use. Salt and pepper. Get creative and add your favorite seasonings. I like to use pepper in my seafood dishes. This one is a bottled crushed pepper. Sometimes you buy the actual pepper and they're not hot, so I use this and it's always hot. After that, you want to mix all your ingredients evenly with your meat, and then you put that to marinate just for a few minutes, as I'll be cooking it in a few minutes. Or if you want to do this for overnight, that will be perfect. Then to a heated cooking pan, I'm going to add coconut oil, and then I'm gonna add my marinated meat to that pot with all my seasonings, everything. I'm just gonna put that in, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water to that and cover. Keep checking your pot to make sure that it doesn't burn. If the water is going down, just continue add a little water so that it'll help to cook the meat faster and make it tender. Once your meat is tender, you want to prepare your coconut milk, and I'm using the canned milk. And you're not going to add the entire contents of the can into the pot. I used about half a can at first, and then I added the other half after this first half had been boiled in. Once you see that getting a little bit thick, then you're going to add the other half and cover to let it simmer down a little bit. Once you check and see that your sauce has gotten a little bit thick, then you know it is ready to turn off. And there you have it, guys. Then you're gonna serve and enjoy. Okay guys, there you have it. That is how I prepare conch stewed in coconut milk. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.